Welcome back to AutoHub Info, the channel that puts you in the driver's seat of tomorrow's most captivating machines. Tonight's spotlight falls on the 2025 BMW Z1, a two-seat electric roadster that resurrects an icon and injects it with high-voltage adrenaline. BMW labels it a new E-Class compact roadster, but strip away the jargon and you've got the purest roof-down freedom Munich has served since the 90s. Thermoplastic body panels still unclip for paint swap weekends, while a skateboard battery pack replaces straight 6 rumble with turbine smooth torque. It's an open-air thriller built for canyon carving without the carbon gilt. History sets the stage. The first Z1 was born inside BMW Technik as a secret playground for radical ideas, vertical sliding doors, plastic skins, and a steel backbone. It was never intended for mass production, yet demand forced Munich to hand-build just over 8,000 examples, instantly turning the car into a cult classic. Fast forward 30-plus years and the 2025 reboot follows that same renegade recipe. Engineers dusted off the patented door mechanism, replaced the straight 6 with dual E-motors, and bolted everything to an 800-volt chassis that's ready for over-the-air tweaks the moment it leaves the factory. BMW's product planners predict 3 powerhouse markets: Germany, the United States, and China. German buyers treasure the badge heritage and Autobahn pedigree. Americans lap up convertibles, federal EV tax breaks, and year-round sun along the Pacific Coast Highway. Chinese customers see limited allocation imports as rolling status symbols. Together these regions are expected to swallow 80% of first-year production, with California alone penciled in for nearly a quarter of U.S. allocations. BMW expects to allocate roughly 4,000 launch year units to Germany, 5,500 to the US, and just over 6,000 to China, while the remaining 2,500 cars will be scattered across Europe, Japan, and the Middle East, keeping scarcity and resale values sky high. Australia, always hungry for driver-focused machines, is petitioning for a limited 500-car import quota. Digital buzz is off the charts. Since a camouflaged prototype rolled onto the 2024 CES stage, the hashtag #News1 has cleared 200 million TikTok views, and YouTube walkarounds often outperform videos of supercars costing triple the money. Every clip showcases those disappearing doors, turning casual scrollers into instant evangelists. Instagram Reels magnify the effect, with slow-mo door demos shared by fashion influencers, tech bloggers, and even skateboarders who discovered the sills double as perfect camera sliders. BMW couldn't buy better advertising, and showrooms report a spike in deposits that mirrors each viral surge. Hard numbers fuel the hype. Dual permanent magnet motors channel a combined 590 horsepower and 605 pound-feet through an electro-synchro all-wheel drive system, blasting from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.5 seconds before running into a 250 km per hour electronic leash. A 90 kWh prismatic battery lies under the cabin floor, and active coolant plates keep temperatures stable during mountain switchbacks. Beneath that speed lurks finesse. A carbon fiber torque tunnel stiffens the shell, rear-wheel steering adds twitch-free agility at pace, and an electronic limited slip diff quarantines understeer long before the traction lights flash. Efficiency is more than a footnote. BMW quotes 13.5 kWh per 100 kilometers, good for about 345 miles EPA. An 800-volt backbone accepts 270 kilowatts, putting 10 to 80% back in just 18 minutes. An 11 kilowatts wall box handles overnight top-ups, and a 22 kilowatts option halves that on European 3-phase. A heat pump HVAC scavenges motor warmth to protect range in winter. Bidirectional charging lets the Z1 run your campsite or sell power back when the grid is thirsty. Plugging into a public charger also preconditions the battery automatically, so you hit peak speed the moment the cable clicks. Versatility is the silent superpower. An adaptive dual-chamber air suspension lifts the chassis 30 mm for speed bumps, then drops it low at speed. Torque vectoring software shuffles power in milliseconds, making the back end feel alive yet planted. The two-piece composite roof folds aft in 7 seconds at up to 50 km per hour, and because the doors slide into the sills instead of swinging wide, you can hop in even when someone parks inches away. BMW also offers a factory roof rack that locks into hidden mounts, letting you haul 2 bikes or a ski coffin without marring the bodywork, turning the Z1 from boulevard cruiser into weekend adventure pod. Inside, sustainable luxury sets the tone. Vegan microfiber seats infused with eucalyptus oil fend off microbes, while a curved 14-inch OLED clusters speed, charge, and augmented reality turn cues. A 15-speaker Bowers & Wilkins Diamond system automatically retunes when the roof drops, and Level 2 Plus driver assist with stereo vision lidar eases long hauls without stealing driver engagement. Quarterly OTA packets promise incremental horsepower bumps, new driver assistance tricks, and fresh infotainment themes. Customizable ambient LED ribbons pulse with your heartbeat via the My BMW Watch app, while ultra-wideband phone as key lets you share digital access for timed windows, ideal for peer-to-peer lending. Sticker shock. Surprisingly mild. US pricing starts at $74,900. Germany opens at €72,500 after incentives. China lists 598,000 yen before subsidies, each slotting below Porsche's incoming electric Boxster. Add-on menus stay lean. M Performance Carbon Aero, ceramic brakes, 620 horsepower software costs $9,800. Heritage Fun Yellow paint, retro logos is $6,200. Track date semi-slicks, titanium half cage, data logging runs $5,000. 3-year prepaid service and a 160,000-kilometer battery warranty sweeten things, while guaranteed 55% residuals after 36 months. Calm depreciation fears. Stats aside, the Z1 trades in emotion, silent torque, doors that vanish like stage magic, a roof that disappears in 7 seconds, and guilt-free miles powered by electrons. It's a wearable theater piece you can daily. Think it deserves a spot in your garage? Drop a comment with your favorite color, Fun Yellow, Rebel Red, or Stealth Silver, and name a rival we should compare it against. Smash subscribe, ring the bell, and keep your wheels spinning with AutoHub info.